what's in this package. The first thing we've got is body wash, and it smells like strawberries. Next, we have cinnamon roll breakfast. Oh, this is so cute. And this is purple candy that has curumi on it. Next, we have shampoo that has a little princess on it. And we have a gummy bear that is green. It has a little bit of yellow. I want to eat it so bad, but we can't. Oh, this is super cute. It's a blue lollipop. Now this is the last one in the box. Ooh, I think someone got a phone. And it is Little My Melody. Very, very cute. That's all for today. I'll see you in another one. Bye.